Welcome back to Minds On with Miss Hake. All right, I'm going to show you some numbers, and you're going to have to form a group of that many numbers. Huh? Well, get your loose parts or your counters out or your jar of buttons or whatever you have. I'm going to hold up a number, and you're going to see if you can make that group of number. Now, I'm not going to say what the number is. This is a test. This is a trick. I want to see if you're able to read that number and put the right amount on the table. So get yourself a piece of paper. Mine's a whiteboard, and that's okay too. There are going to be 4 rounds of this game. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know what? That's no good. I can't fit 4 underneath the 3. That'll be squishy. I'm going to have to turn my paper the other way. You know what? I'm kind of glad I did that just to show you. If that happens to you, you can turn it long ways too. 1, 2, there it is. 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4 rounds. I'm going to put a little dot to show that the first time. All right, so I'm going to hold up the whiteboard, and it's going to have a number between 1 and 5 sitting there. It is your job to put that many things next to your number 1. You can also write the number as well if you have time. Are you ready? This is the first number I want you to recognize. Right there. Can you put that many things next door to your number 1 for the first question? I'm going to give you 10 seconds. All right, time's up. Now we're going to the second question. So this will be your second pile of things. All right, let's see if you recognize this number. Go. All right, time's up. Third question, third pile. Put it next door to the number 3 there. This is how many things I want you to put. Go. All right, time's up. Now this is our 4th time doing it. So this is the number I want you to recognize and put that many things next to that number 4. How many things is that? Awesome. Now you're going to show your teacher, your parent, or whoever's with you your piles to see if they match the numbers that Miss Hake chose. Hope you had a lot of fun playing. See you soon.